everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, love bugs. Do you know we almost didn't have a video today, and I've been trying to do this decorate with me video. I'm looking over there because it's the shelves. I got a little bit of decorating here and the wreath is up. Okay, first of all, hope everyone's Labor Day weekend was great and off to a great start. I have all the windows and doors open. It is the perfect temperature. It's like that 75, 76. That's my favorite temperature. I said, okay, I'm gonna turn off the air and I'm gonna open all the windows and get some air into this house and make videos. Well, yeah. So people coming in and out, phone calls. Do you hear that? Do you hear the bugs? It's bugs. I know, it's crazy. It's okay. We're gonna enjoy nature together. We're. That's a really loud bug. We're enjoying nature together. Okay. So if you saw in today's video, I'm looking down because I'm looking at the bags. I've been shopping. I've been going to Dollar Tree and Dollar General and Bell's. I want to show you one thing, and I'll show you that. Okay, so let's start with Dollar Tree. Okay, Dollar Tree. Oh, thank God! I was looking for this when I was doing my makeup. Okay, y'all, if you have like pores and like oily T-zone like I do, this for $1.25, and they haven't raised the price yet. It's the Essentially Ageless Blur Face Primer. Works like a dream. And really, like, when I skip it, I notice the difference. I really notice the difference. So get yourselves one of these. Okay, that was one Dollar Tree run. And I bought a bunch of cleaning products, but I'm not going to show them to you. But I got the, ooh, it matches my shirt. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, it's this garland. I've never seen this before at, Dollar Tree. Have you? I don't remember seeing this. Anyways, I think it's very, very cute. I want to use it for my outdoor. It's a 6-foot garland. And y'all, these are $1.50, not $1.75. Because I thought they were $1.75, and I was mad at that. So I got 2 of those, but I got 3 of these. Of these ones. See where I'm going with this? Like, I'm going to intertwine it. Okay? So I think the colors match very, very good. My wreath is up. Of course, the wreath doesn't have any of these colors, but the pumpkins do. So that's okay. It'll work. It'll work. We're gonna make it work. So I got 3 of these, and they're $1.50, not $1.75. Okay? Did I get 3? Yes, I got 3. Okay, let me put this away. Oh, y'all, the last couple of weeks have just been nuts. But there's stuff brewing. Florida. It's brewing. Okay. Oh, get yourself this. Okay, even for $1.50, it's worth it. Okay, I realize that. Yes. So it's the pink line from Dollar Tree. I know you've seen it because I've shown it before. Pink grapefruit scent. The window, the glass, the mirror. Oh my God, y'all. Wow, am I out of practice filming a video? I'm so sorry. The window and glass and mirror cleaner from the Dollar Tree is very worth it. The other stuff in this line I could care less for. I don't think they work at all. Okay, fun stuff, Bella, fun stuff. Oh guys, I'm gonna save the best for last. Ooh, okay, since we're on a cleaning kick now. But let me show you. Okay. I got 2 of these. Okay. Pier 1, back in the day, I swear I only bought 2 because they were really expensive. These are... The only thing that's missing is the little tinge of brown in the line, But this is the shape, the handle, the everything to my Pottery Barn? Pottery Barn. $1.50, that's worth it. That's worth it. And I got 2 of these, and I think they're so cute. And I'm gonna put them on my 2-tier tray, and they're gonna look amazing. Okay, let's put these over here. So tell me in the comments. I want to know in the comments, like, what have y'all been up to? What have you all been doing? What's going on? What's the thing? The things. Tell me the things. Okay, so random. I got these, to wash yourself with. Loofahs, sponges, I don't know, whatever. Loofahs. And then I found this. It's Clean Color Pro. It's a sealer, makeup setting spray, dewy finish. That's what I was looking for. I wonder if this works. All right, well, I'll test it out some more, but did it make me look 30? If you've seen another video, you'd know what that's all about. Then I found this. Did we have this before? Because I don't remember having this before, but it's a Dollar Tree product. And it's a self-tanning glove, because y'all know the weather's going to change. And some of us become so pale and so white. It's gross. Okay. Then I got these. These are... What a great deal this was. All this for $1.25. All kinds of sponges and puffies and 28. And then I got beauty blenders. Value pack, 5 of them. Okay, some are, okay, 2 are angled, 2 are normal, and 1 is this weird one. I don't like that one. And it's a resealable bag. $1.25. You can't go wrong with that. I should put all the makeup stuff together. Ooh. This. I love this. I had one. It's kind of crusty now, and I tried to wash it and didn't do so good. Okay, I take this off, or I leave this on, whatever you want to do. This is my recommendation. And I put setting powder on this, and I put it in my purse. So if I'm out and about and I get like oily and stuff, I just dab, and we're refreshed. $1.25, still worth the hype. Still worth the hype, still worth the money. I got this for Angela as a stocking stuffer. Yeah, I'm already there. I'm already in my brain. Onyx Bathhouse. It says new bubble bath, champagne wishes, pear and honey. It's a cute little champagne bottle with Moroccan oil. It's 16 ounces and 475 milliliters. That's pretty good. $1.25. Great stocking stuffer. Angela won't know. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. I found them. There was so many of them, but I thought, you know what, Bella, I don't even use them, y'all. Like, I bought every single one, and I don't even use them. This is pumpkin vanilla scented, and this is honey crisp apple. Ooh, the apple's good. Yummy. Okay. How many of you have had pumpkin spice already? Ooh. No, the pumpkin vanilla is amazing. Limited edition. Go get this one. Yeah, $1.25. See, that's worth it, Dollar Tree. That's worth it, Dollar Tree. We come to you for that. Okay. And then, I saw somebody mention this, and they said that it was like $40-some on Amazon. Oh, okay. Naturally moisturizing factors plus phytoceramides face and body spray are most nourishing body spray, fragrance free, targets dry skin, deeply hydrates, reduces water loss. you want... Oh, I moved the camera. You want to know about the weight loss and how's it going? Well, I have not gained any weight, so that's a good thing. I think from the last time we spoke, maybe a pound. Yeah. Yeah, a pound. Actually, 1 pound only. I want to try this. What does it mean, weight water? I guess like moisture from your skin. There's no odor. I don't know, y'all. I bought it because the girl that I saw reviewing this or talking about this she had done a Dollar Tree haul. And when I heard $40, I thought, okay, for $1.25, I'll buy it. I mean, I don't know anything about it. Okay, then I went, where, should I think I showed you, yeah. Oh, did I show you this? The Brazilian, I know, summer's over, now we find it. Spot Brazilian Soul Body Butter Pistachio Caramel. Well, I guess now we have everything from Dollar Tree. Ooh. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, it does smell nice. Ooh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's silky, y'all. It's yummy. Yummy. Okay. Here's my last thing I want to show you. And there's a reason for this. So you're going to tell me if you want to see the video. So do y'all like this store? Bells? Okay. I told you the Marshalls opened by me, right? Oh my God, y'all. I just realized there's a hydrogen peroxide bottle right there. Whatever. Okay. So the Marshalls finally opened by me. And, I went in. I wanted to get a new purse. I want to retire my Louis. I've been using it all summer, but I want to retire her now. Yes, she's a girl. And I really wanted something black, and I wanted something kind of like the shape of my Louis, and I wanted to have a hand like a crossbody. Okay, so I found this. It was 24. Ooh, it has a little heart. I didn't even know it had a little heart. It was $24.99 at Bells or Beals, whatever you want to call it. And it was $29.99 at Marshall's. So check out your local Beals. Okay, the reason... Oh, my goodness gracious, Lord. Bella, what's wrong with you? You can't film anymore. Y'all, I'm a mess. Okay, I really, like, it does look like a Louis, right? It's got the same shape. I mean, obviously it's not, and obviously it's way cheaper. Are you on the bag charm kick? Do you want to see how I'm going to take this and totally redo it and put all my charms and doodads and all the Louis stuff and change out all this? Do you want to see that video? Because if you do, we'll do it together. Just like a fun little, like, maybe on Saturday we could do like a fun pop-up video. What day is it today? Today, Wednesday. Y'all, I better have that video up for Friday. I'm so mad. I've been trying to just get this video up for you. And look, it's dark already. And I think it's going to rain. So the lighting in this house is so horrible. That's another thing. Like, the lighting is so bad that it's so hard to, like, to film and decorate because I need more light. But anyways. Did you hear that? Okay. Anyways. Oh, okay. I know this is a shopping haul video, but before we go, there's a lady. I don't remember her name. I'm not gonna put her on blast, but it's so funny. I wanted to share this with you. While I was doing my makeup, I thought, oh, I'm gonna tell her this. So there's a lady that commented on a video or 1 or 2 videos ago. I guess it may be like another shopping haul kind of video. Oh, and I got this shirt too, y'all. Look how cute it is. Okay. Squirrel, Bella, talk. Anyway, she said, oh my God, you keep shopping and investing all this money in this place. What? What? Yeah, lady. I'm Do we know each other? I'm a shopaholic. This is not investing. This is just piddle paddling. Like, this is not, like, I'm not buying anything good. No, y'all tell her. Tell her, y'all. I haven't bought, this is not investing. Like, wait till I get back home and to a home and, like, be comfortable. Then you'll really see shopping. Boy, she'll be impressed. Or she'll be shocked. One of the two. Oh, y'all, I hope you, okay, I'm going to try to do my best to get this video out. I got the washing machine going. I gotta make dinner. I'm so not in the mood. All right, I'll figure out a way how to do this decorate with me because I really want to come see you on Friday. Anyways, have a beautiful and blessed day ahead, and I hope you had a wonderful Labor Day weekend, and I hope your month is off to a great start, and I love you all so much. Y'all know that, right? Y'all know how much I love you. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.